Good morning, guys. So it is 12 o'clock. I did get confirmation that the store was closed today. I'm not on the schedule for today. But I did get confirmation saying that it was closed today. I think they got flooded because everywhere else is. And so, yeah. And then the both entrances are flooded here. And so I think I should have left yesterday, but they didn't evacuate us, so what's the point? And I have to work tomorrow, so I don't know what's going to happen. But I'm just going to vlog today. I'm not going to try to vlog too much because it's just been the same thing for the last 3 days. This is day 3 of 5-day downpours. We have lights. I do know that the lights went out sometime last night because my clocks are all off. I just don't know when. Yeah. So I'm cooking me some french fries and I think I'm going to clean before anything. Like, I guess today, sometime before the day is over with, I'm going to clean and get this house looking good, because my family is coming down on Friday to drop off my brother for a few days, and so yeah, I'll tell you guys later. Before I lose electricity, I decided I was gonna make some french fries, and I got my salt and my ketchup in here. The dogs are looking like, are we getting any of that? They had dog food, so yeah.
Still, tornado warning till 4 o'clock. That does include portions north of Bayleaf going up going up Highway 6 towards Addicts, and then right outside of George Bush Park. That is our only tornado warning right now, which is good. Now we've got a bit of a break. Frank, kind of show folks what's happening here, because I think we're sort of transitioning some into this afternoon. Yeah. I want to mention a tornado.
So we got the alert saying take shelter now. Of course, I'm in the room. Unfortunately, all I have to do is run straight to the closet. So I'm not too worried about it. I am keeping an eye out for it. If I see anything, I'll of course run to the closet. It's about 3:30, and I think we're supposed to have the alert until 4. I think that's what they just said. I tried to record a little bit about that, but I don't know. But yeah, it's been interesting. That's the first one today. I had 2 last night, and this is the first one today, so I guess the later it gets, the more that we're going to get more intense into it, so. I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so something I'm noticing is right there on the other side of that tree is a drain. It's actually draining really good. I don't want to jinx it, but over here I am getting flooded. The sidewalk is completely over. The only thing I'm worried about is last night I was talking to some family. There it is, my finger. Last night the water was over that concrete, and I was worried about my AC because that one is mine. That one is mine. Right now we are underneath the tornado watch, and I don't see anything. I'm just hoping that that wind doesn't pick up, because if it does, that means something's around. So yeah. So that's what the breeze looks like. Like that is even picking up a little bit. So It's just a wait by wait. We are still in it for about 15 more minutes. So I'm just being very careful being this close to the window. There's the doggies. She has been literally right against me. Like, she does not want to go anywhere without me. And, like, even if I go to the bathroom, if I leave her, she'll be begging to let her in. And him, he's been mostly underneath the bed, so they don't know what's going on. So it is 4:05 and we're out of the tornado or whatever they were saying it was. So we're just dealing with the other shit, and it's just flooding still. The news is constantly on. I'm never really into the news, but I have been lately, so. I think it's just because of the weather. Like, I can watch the Weather Channel, but the news, I don't get into it, so, yeah. So, I'm just keeping an eye on the sidewalks and everything, because if it gets too high, I need to do something about it. It's getting stronger rain and wind, so I'll let you guys know how it goes. It's about 9 o'clock, and I'm going to lay here, play my game, and yeah, so I'm gonna edit this vlog and get it up for you guys. Hopefully, since it's not that long, it will be a whole lot better, and I won't have to delete it and just do story time. I was so mad about yesterday's vlog. It wouldn't edit and save, and so much shit was going on with that. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. And tomorrow I'm supposed to go back to work, so I can't stay on here too long. But I don't even know if I'm going to work tomorrow because it's still pouring and everything's still flooded. So I don't know what's going on. I'm about to text my boss and find out what she knows as of right now. So, talk to you guys in the morning. Good night, guys.